Welcome back to the IT Boss YouTube channel, and I hope you're all doing very well by the grace of God. It's been a while since I uploaded a video on this channel, and then since the last video that I uploaded, I know most of you were asking why is that I have not been uploading new videos. I would like to say, sorry for those delays. And now we are back with a wonderful video, and then in today's video we're going to talk about how you can create your own YouTube channel. In today's video is about how you can create your own YouTube channel, and I hope most of you have the passion to start your own YouTube channel where you can upload your content and all those stuff. Hope you understand me. That's why I decided to bring up this video, so that to teach you how you can create or set up your own YouTube channel where you can be uploading your own kind of content over there. Hope you understand me. So without wasting my time, you just begin with the creating of the YouTube channel, and then so that you can create a YouTube channel for yourself. But before then, let me say this: YouTube channel is one of, I hope most of you may know this. YouTube channel is one of the platforms, or one of the social media platforms that you can make money or make an income from. Hope you understand me. And I know that most of you are aware of this, that YouTube channel is one of the best social media platforms that you can make money from or make income from. So if you have an interest in creating or owning a YouTube channel, I hope this video will help you a lot on how you can create your own professional YouTube channel. So without wasting my time, this is just going to be a short video, so we are not going to waste much time. So without wasting my time, let's begin. As you can see on the screen, so I've already opened YouTube channel in my browser, as you can see. First things first, before you can, or let me say this, before you can be able to create a YouTube channel, you must first of all have a Gmail account. Yes, you must first of all have a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you can create one by yourself, or let a friend or a sibling create one for you, so that you can be able to create a YouTube channel. Because without a Gmail account, you will not be able to create a YouTube channel. Have you understand me? So let's continue. So the first thing that you're going to do is just to go to or open a browser and then type in www.youtube.com, which will then bring you to this platform, or bring you to the YouTube platform. Then if you have logged into your browser, whether being Firefox, Opera Mini, or Chrome, when you open YouTube like this, you see your Gmail account at the top right corner near the notification bell. As you can see where my cursor is, yeah, that is it. That is where your Gmail account will show, if only you have logged into your browser with your Gmail account. So right now, as you can see, I've already logged into my Gmail account, and as you can see here, it's showing over here. So what I will do here is just to click on that icon, and then this drop down menu will appear. So when the drop down menu appears here like this, then I will click on create account, and then this other menu will pop up, as you can see here. So when this menu pop up, what is required from us is for us to type in our YouTube channel's name, or it requires us to type in the name that we want to give to our YouTube channel. And also remind you, the name that you give to your YouTube channel must describe what your channel is all about. If you understand me, it must best describe what your channel is about, whether the content that you'll be uploading there is about comedy, or it's about entertainment, or it's about motivational speech, or it is about technology or IT styles, any kind of videos that you will be uploading on your YouTube channel. When creating your channel here, or when naming your channel, must first of all it must best describe the channel. Have you understand me? You cannot just give it any name, and then when a subscriber or a person sees your videos, and then when he clicks on it, it's different from the name that you give to the channel. Have you understand me? So you must be very, very conscious here that when you name your channel, you must best describe what your channel is all about. So let's continue. So right now I'm going to delete this name and type in, let's say this channel is about comedy, so I'll type in RY comedy. I can understand me, RY comedy, and I click on create a channel. I click on create a channel. So we wait for a while for it to create, and then voila, as you can see, our channel has been created. As you can see here, our channel has been created. As you can see, our channel has been created. So as you can see here, our channel has been created over here, as you can see. So this is where we are going to end. Right now the channel has been created, as you can see, RY comedy, and then this is where it will take us to after we create the YouTube channel. I understand me. So this is where you're going to end, and then this is where you're going to end for today. So stick and stay, and then subscribe to the channel. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos on your channel, and how you can describe, where you're going to describe what your channel is about, apart from the name. Have you understand me? Where you type in what you're going to what your channel are going to be about, and all those stuff. Have you understand me? So this is where you're going to end this video for today. So stick and stay, and then also subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.